everyone, welcome to my new channel Way to English with Priyanka. So friends, I hear this frequently question, where to start learning language. So friends, first of all, today I am going to talk about to this learning language. So friends, in my opinion, maximum number of the people ask question that where to start learning language, how can start it. So friends, in my opinion, you just think that I know grammar, I know vocab, I know tense, but I don't know how to speak English language. Why I can't speak English language? Actually, you want to try it, you want to start it, you want to learn it, but you can't speak it. Why you can't speak it? Actually, you just thinking that you want to learn it. Don't only say that. Actually, you don't have take some time to this learning language. Actually, first of all, you have to take some time, you have to try it, you have to manage it, you have to start it, you have to learn it, then definitely you can speak it. So friends, as well as then you can manage it. I am concerned until you will not think that about to this language, then you will not able to express yourself to this learning language. In my opinion, the most important person to yourself. You can talk to yourself every day. Only one simple word. Okay friends, you are thinking that I want to learn, but you don't only say that. You can do that. You will work hard. I mean, if you should do something about to this learning language, then to understand it to yourself, and you would love to speak confidently. Initially, when you will strange to this learning language, then you will habit to this learning language. It will no longer feel it, so you can do it.